So hello guys and welcome back to Fan of Stationery. So today we have got some highlighters. So these are the highlighters. These are different kind of highlighters that I have. So every highlighter is different. So that's what we are going to do. Now let's take them one by one. So the first highlighters that we have is from Fab-Castell. So these are the Fab-Castell Mystic Green. I mean that's the color of the highlighter. So anyways, these are some pastel highlighters from Faber-Castell. So this is the highlighter, and you can see that it has pastel shades, so that's a pretty good thing. So this thing is good for highlighting many important topics and all. So the pastel colors are the main point of this thing. So these are one category of highlighters. So the next is uh, fancy highlighters. So this is one kind of fancy highlighter. The body is like this, so highlighter is written on there. We cannot see the branding over here because it's a Japanese or China highlighter. And yeah, that's the overall thing. It has got a glassy kind of texture to it. So I mean, not texture, glassy kind of cap. So that's a very good thing. So these are also pastel colors. So now let's take another fancy highlighter. So these are some this is another kind of fancy highlighter. So the name is sweet candy highlighter. So uh, the one thing that it has different from other highlighters is that it has got a bold, I mean a sharp tip. And or when we, I mean, at one side there is a tip like this, so it's a sharp tip. So when we open the other side, we can see it has got a bulletin kind of tip, bullet tip. So that's one thing which makes this a good multi highlighter, because both ends are different. We can see here both ends are different. One has this kind of nib, the other has this kind of nib. So that's a pretty good thing that I have seen in the highlighter. So these are the both, I mean both two highlighters that I have. So the price, I don't know, I don't remember. This is a highlighter that I have purchased in very, I mean, old kind of time. Anyways, this is the highlighter. So now let's move to another highlighter. So this is the next highlighter that I have got. So this is Faber-Castell Text Liner Super Gel. So this is a highlighter which is made up of wax. So the thing is, this is the tip. So the highlighter is made up of wax. So because of that, when we twist this highlighter, we can see the nib, I mean the thing comes out, like the, what can we say, the stick comes out. So like that we can highlight. The problem with this highlighter is that it's kind of like a sticky kind of highlighter, and because of that it's not very neat. I mean, it sticks to our hands, and it's a sticky mixture. So because of that, it's very hard to fit something like this. I mean, it's very hard to apply, like it is very messy for application and all. So that's one thing. So these are the two highlighter colors that I have got. So this is one kind of highlighter. So now let's look the next kind of highlighter that we have. So this is the next highlighter that we have. So this is just click highlighter. So as the name says, this is a clicky highlighter. So it's a pretty good mechanism. We can see here that when we push the cap, one thing goes out and this comes out. So that's one thing to note. That's a pretty good highlighter. I mean, this is a very innovative highlighter from the stationery market of India. So this is not, yeah, this is not a China made product. This is made in India. You can see over here, made in India is written over here. So the color is yellow. So these are the two highlighter that we have. So this is one thing. There is also one clip over here so that we can put it in our clothes. Anyways, that's the next highlighter. So the next kind of highlighter is the normal kind of highlighter, the fluorescent one that we get in every store. So this is the fluorescent highlighter. So this is the highlighter. When you open up, you can see the tip is like this. So these are the normal kind of highlighter that every student has. So that's a pretty good thing. So now let's look at the unique highlighter. These are some unique highlighters. So this is correction tape kind of highlighter. It's a tape highlighter. So it's from the company Sai. It's not a famous brand. I have made a video about it, but the video did not get that much views. So, yeah, this is a highlighter which is highlighted, which does highlighting by applying a tape. Like the highlighting material is like a tape. I mean, it's like a correction tape, but it highlights things instead of uh, covering them. So that's one thing. So it's a clicky kind of thing. You can see here. So yeah, these are some of the highlighters that I have got. So in the next video we will try to apply this highlighter. I mean, these are the highlighters that I have got. So if you want this video, I mean, if you want the next part of this video, you can subscribe to this channel and comment if you want. The next part we can do the next part of this video by uh, applying this highlighter applying this highlighter on books and other things. The application level of this highlighter will be done in that video. So if you want that, you can subscribe. I mean, you can comment down below. If you don't want to subscribe, you don't have to subscribe. So yeah, that's what I have to say. So this is the video for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more such stationery videos if you want. So yeah, this is the thing. Thank you.